Homophones, the sound-alikes of English language. Hello, language learners. Today, we're delving into the wonderful world of English homophones. Homophones are words that sound the same but have different meanings and may or may not be spelled the same way. They can be a little tricky, but they're essential for mastering English language and also lots of fun to learn. A homophone is a word that is pronounced the same as another word but differs in meaning, and may differ in spelling too. The word homophone comes from the Greek words homo, meaning same, and phone, meaning voice. So, homophones are words that sound the same. Examples include to, and to, or there, and there. As you can see, these words all have completely different meanings and uses, yet they sound the same when spoken. Now, let's get into the real fun part. Using homophones in sentences. When used correctly, homophones can add layers of meaning to your speech and writing. However, when mixed up, they can cause confusion. To. I am going to the store. Here, to is used as a preposition indicating direction. I have 2 apples. In this case, to represents the number 2. I am hungry. To. And to is used as a synonym for also or as well. There. Look over there. There is used to indicate a place or position. They're very excited about the trip. There is a contraction of they are. It's their car. There is a possessive pronoun. See how each word, though sounding the same, plays a different role in a sentence? This is the magic of homophones. Understanding homophones comes with practice. Try writing down some homophones and using them in your own sentences. Read them out loud to reinforce the idea that they sound the same. The more you use them, the easier it will be to remember which is which. We've taken a fun journey through the land of English homophones today. Remember, they might seem tricky at first, but with practice, you'll master them. And remember, when it comes to English, even if 2 words sound the same, they might not mean the same thing. So keep practicing, stay curious, and continue expanding your vocabulary. See you in our next video where we'll continue exploring the fascinating facets of the English language.